the 21st Plenary Assembly. Let us first define the Plenary Assembly, and then now we discuss the things that are going to happen at the AMECEA. A plenary assembly or plenary session is a meeting or conference where all entitled members are present. The term plenary originates from a Latin word, plenus, meaning full. And then we've just said where all entitled members are present. So you see, it's full. Everybody is involved. These gatherings are designed for the entire group to hear major announcements, debate broad policies, and vote on binding decisions. So it's not just a meeting, aimless meeting. And the 21st Plenary Assembly of the Association Members of Episcopal Conference in East Africa, or AMECEA, has been scheduled this year for the 19th of July 2026 at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa, or CUEA, in Nairobi. So when we talk about this meeting where all parties or all members are involved, this specific one has involved all the youth members, starting with PMC, MYM, YSC, and young Catholic adults. So the idea of this is the synodal journey with young people, because that has been part and parcel of the church from I don't know which year. That's why it's a synodal journey. So it's a journey. So this one is building bridges. The idea of this specific AMECEA on the 19th of July 2026 is building bridges of communion, hope, justice, and good governance. Building bridges, like there is no separation between this, so it creates hope, justice, and good governance. The event, of course, is going to feature the Holy Mass and other youth focused activities, such as there will be talent showcasing. Wezi kosa ukose. Then there's networking hub. That means there'll be some stands and some even tents standing in that have been put. Then there's the enterprise expo. So all this is building bridges, creating hope, justice, and good governance. And the idea is to engage the youth in what is important. Apart from us receiving the spiritual nourishment, we also need to receive the physical nourishment. And the physical nourishment we are talking about, showcasing the talents, and then networking. Maybe people may mingle and social life and may end up getting employments, networks, so many things. And then enterprise expo. So you are very much welcome for the 21st Plenary Assembly for the AMECEA, so that we can work together. In that, we will be inclusive. So many bishops. It will be all over, from all over Africa, and most importantly, at least those major countries will be involved. Even if not majority of people coming, but not the entire country coming, or Catholics, but there will be many people, representation of bishops, priests, nuns, youths, from different parts of Africa. And of course, you are also invited if you are not in Africa. Just to invite you that we shall be live. This Paco Staff Farm will be live. So you are most welcome to join us and be part and parcel of the plenary of the 21st. Karibu sana.